What you guys got this really annoying issue with Discord where the right click copy and paste is not working when you're copying text or you're copying images. It's really frustrating and it's a known issue on Discord, and basically Discord have said there is no sort of slotted time to fix this as of yet. They haven't found a solution to it. Now you can try to reinstall Discord and maybe this might help. I tried it and it didn't work, and I'm still having an issue where when I right click any sort of text or any sort of images into the chat, it basically fails and it doesn't allow me to do it. Now the Control C and the Control V to paste something still works, but let me show you what the issue is and then I'll show you how to resolve it or use a workaround. So when you copy and paste some text inside this box here, it could be any box inside one of your chat rooms, it's not going to work. Now the Control C to copy and then press Control V to paste does work in Discord. Now if you're a shortcut person like me, then it's not so much of an issue, but if you do occasionally do the right click, copy and paste, it's not going to work. But there is a workaround which you can do. You can either use the Control C or the Control V to copy and paste the item, but when you right click here and copy image, this does copy the image to your clipboard, and then when you go to Discord, right click and paste, it won't work. You're not going to be able to get that to work there. But if you do use the Control C and Control V, it will work. Now that is not the solution that I want to give you. That is what people have been doing to have this issue resolved using the Control C and Control V. But there is a way to fix this temporarily and use a workaround using these settings. So go down to your user profile and click on user settings. Inside here, this will open up your user settings panel. And from here, we're looking for accessibility. Once we find accessibility, click on this one here, and then we need to come down in the list here. So let's just go down and have a look at the list. And you should see, so we're looking for the use a legacy chat input here, and there should be a little toggle switch here which you can toggle on, and this will literally fix the issue. It's a little workaround, and there may be some side effects to this by using this method, but it does actually allow you now to right click and paste again inside Discord. So this little workaround should be useful for people that use the right click context menu here. So let me just quickly right click, copy, and we're going to paste inside here like so. There we go. And it does now work. Now obviously once they fix this issue, you can then put this setting back. Now is this a Discord issue or is this a Windows 11 issue? I really don't know. It's more than likely going to be a Windows 11 issue that is now causing a conflict with Discord. In my personal opinion, that's probably what it is, or it's just something that has happened to Discord and they haven't yet got around to fixing it. Now there's quite a big problem because I've looked around on the internet and it seems that a lot of people are suffering from this. So whether this is related to Windows 11 or whether it's a Discord issue, I really don't know. Not sure if Discord have actually made an official announcement yet to say that they have a problem and they are looking into it and fixing it. I really don't know. But you can use this method to try to use it as a workaround to resolve that problem. I just want to thank today's video sponsor, CD Key Sales. If you're looking for a cheap Windows 10 Pro OEM key, then check out the links in the video description. Sign up for an account and then basically go to your order, click on buy now and use my promo code R09. Apply this to your order. And during the month of November, you can get a 35% discount. Once you get your key, you'll be able to go to the activation center and activate your version of Windows. Anyway, that is going to be about it for this video. That is how you can use a workaround to resolve the right-click copy and paste not working on Discord. And I'm pretty sure, hopefully, they will resolve this issue quickly. But all you need to do is go into user settings, go accessibility, and go down to the actual area called use the legacy chat input, toggle that on, and your problem should be resolved. Anyway, my name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who join my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support. and I shall catch you in the very next video, or I will see you on our Discord server for a chat. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.